Hello friends, in last lecture we have learned the total syllabus of industrial chemistry of semester first, that is paper CH 335. From today we are actually going to start our first chapter, that is the modern approach of chemical industry. As all of you are the student of T.Y.B.Sc chemistry, and this course totally related with the different industries like agrochemical industries, pharmaceutical industries, bulk production industries, and various types of metallurgical industry. As a student of chemistry, being a chemist, you have to learn the different approach related with chemical industry. As you are much more familiar with a agriculture, different types of agrochemicals, you must know about their basic approach. So in this chapter we have to learn what are the chemical industries, what are their needs, that is the basic requirement of chemical industry. Nowadays there are so many industries are located in our native place as well as our locality. For example, Industrial Development Corporation developed one of the good industrial estate near us, that is the Kurkum Industrial Estate, right? So most of the human being or the skilled labor is required for this industry. Now we see what are the chemical industries. The branch of chemistry which applies physical and chemical procedures towards the transformation of natural raw material and their derivatives to products that are of benefits to humanity. So, as there are different branches of chemistry like physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, these are the basic branches. And fifth branch is the industrial chemistry. That is, in this branch, we are going to learn the physical and chemical procedures which are useful to make transformation, changes, synthesis of different types of chemical compounds from a natural raw material or synthetic raw material, and those products which we are going to derive from this process is beneficial for a human being and to fulfill their needs. So this is a very simple basic definition related with industrial chemistry. Now, what are the chemical industries? Any type of designed project to make a chemical and physical changes in the raw material obtained from either natural way or synthetic way to develop a new product, to manufacture a new product which is beneficial for a human being and their lifestyle is simply termed as a chemical industry. For example, from a naturally occurring cotton, by different types of process, we are going to manufacture a different types of cloth. It is related with a cloth industry. It is the physical transformation. In the same manner, we are going to develop, manufacture a different types of chemicals. For example, basic chemicals like ammonia, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, which are developed by using some raw material, and these industries are called as chemical industries. So, in those process or operations, we are going to change the transformation of natural raw material into different types of product is simply termed as a chemical industry. Now, what are the processes which are involved in chemical industries? That is the exploitation of materials and energy in appropriate scale, applications of science and technology to enable humanity experiences the benefits of chemistry in areas such as food production, health and hygiene, shelter, protection, decoration, recreation and entertainment. Now see one by one. First basic need of human being is a food. As the population of total world is increasing rapidly and it become a need to increase the rate of production, crop production. For this purpose, it becomes essential to increase the production of food material also. Practically what happens, much more food material is get destroyed due to fermentation process. So it becomes a need to preserve food and use it for this large population, and this is the basic essential need of food industry, that is food production must be enhanced. Then second need, that is the health and hygiene, much more large sector comes in this class, that is the different types of pharmaceutical industries, drug industries, and so many particular types of drugs are involved in this particular industry. Then hygiene related different types of product comes in the process. Then third factor is the shelter. In this particular shelter, cement industry comes, polymer industry comes, glass industry, and various types of furniture industries comes in this class. Then protection from various types of viruses, diseases, and different types of health related conditions. So, overall, these are the needs related with a particular groups and industries. So, what are the particular quality of this particular industry? The next one, that is the various types of industries which are involved. There are two major class of industries which are manufactures different types of chemicals. That is, the first major class of industries are industrial inorganic chemical industries. Particularly, these industries give the manufacture of petroleum, fuels, polymers, petrochemical and other synthetic material. Particularly heavy chemicals are manufactured in this industry. For example, we have to learn heavy chemical manufacturing like ammonia, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, right? So these are the materials which are manufactured in inorganic type of chemical industries. Okay. Then second class of chemical industry is organic chemical industry. Quite interesting class of industry. That is, in these industries, particularly pharmaceuticals are manufactured, dyes, pigments, paints, pesticides, soap and detergents are manufactured in such type of industries. Okay, we are much more familiar with this one. So according to this, particularly pesticides, soaps, detergents and cosmetic type of products are also involved in this type of industry, right? So the second class of industry is the organic chemical industries, that is manufacturing of different types of particularly organic products. Organic products. So this is the basic need of this particular, right? So according to this process, these are the two types of particular industries. Now, third type is particularly the commodity chemicals. Commodity chemical means what? The low valued products produced in large quantity, most in continuous process. Continuous. That is the basic raw material which is essential. Then second is the basic inorganic chemicals, raw material which is required for this industry are the sulfuric acid, nitrogen, oxygen, ammonia, lime, sodium, hydroxide, and phosphoric acid, and chlorine it requires. And third one is the basic organic chemicals. So these are the some raw materials which are required for these two major type of industries. So basically we have learned some basic terms, types of chemical industry in this particular lecture. Okay, so this is overall about the type of industry and the chemical industry. Okay, thank you so much.